Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Toy Storm. Woohoo! What is that, guys? You can see what is that. Oh, this broke now. This a mask. This black color and gray color mask, ladies mask. You can see this action ladies mask. Woohoo! Wow, it's a very interesting character. And now he have a lots of equipments, gun and equipments. You can see this a magazine. Wow, this a magazine, black color magazine. This a ear bullet magazine. And now I have it's a AK-12 gun backshot. Wow, this a plastic black color. Are really amazing, guys. You can see. Wow. And now I'm introduce this a silencer. Wow, this a AK-12 assault rifle silencer. Wow. And now I have a grip. This a rifle grip, AK-12 assault rifle grip, guys. There's a rapid action battalion. There's a rapid action battalion guns and equipments. You can see this a laser. Wow, this a powerful laser. Oh, this a scope laser. You can see, guys, this a scope laser. Wow. And now I have a years of bullet. Your bullet. You can see I have a 4-pack for this gun. Wow. You can see. And I have what is that, guys? This a scope mounter, maybe. Yes, this a scope mounter. Wow, it's really amazing, guys. You can see. And this a laser scope. Yeah, this a scope. This a powerful scope, guys. This a AK-12 assault rifle scope. Wow. Then I have a what is that, guys? You can see it's a very big size, guys. It's a AK-12 assault rifle. Wow, you can see, guys. It's a toy assault rifle, AK-12 assault rifle. It's a full black color. You can see what is that, guys. If you like this video, guys, please like, comment, share with your friends, and do subscribe this channel Toy Storm. Bye bye.